Welcome to Buddha's International TV special news bulletin on World Blood Donors Day. WHO has been celebrating this day since 2004 because this 14th June is the birthday of Karl Landsteiner, who received Nobel Prize in 1930 for identifying the blood groups as A, B, and O. So this day is right now we are celebrating as a World Blood Donors Day. 2020's theme is Save Blood and Saves Lives. And apart from that one, the main slogan is Give Blood to make the world healthier place. So with this theme, right now we are starting the journey. Today we have important guests participating from different countries. Mr. Kapil Dev, nutrition expert, updating from Bahrain. Welcome, sir. Mr. Rajiv Kumar, who is working in the pharma, research scholar, updating from Algeria. Mr. Raj Kumar, updating from India, in nutrition expert. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, UN representative and president of Human Rights Council of America, updating from USA. I am Dr. ABMK Varaprasad, Managing Director, Nature Science and Medicine Hospitals Private Limited, India. Welcome to our show, sir. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, could you please mention some points about this World Blood Donors Day, sir?
ब्लड डोनर डे के एकटा अलग कहानी छै कैलाकि कार्ल लैंडस्टाइनर जे छै अपन पूरा जन्म भरि में अपना पूरा होल लाइफ ही जन्मले 14 जून 1888 ही मरले 26 जून 1943। ये अपन पूरा जिंदगी में ब्लड पर काम कल गरीब फैमिली के मवी पर काम कल तो यूनाइटेड नेशन की सोचल कि पूरा जिंदगी ब्लड पर काम कल तो एक नाम से पिला ने हम सब जे है एक जन्मदिन पर हम सब पिला ने ब्लड डोनर डे कदी के यूनाइटेड नेशन जे है ओकरे नाम ओकरे जो जन्म भेल रहे 14 जून के तो ओकरे नाम पर यूनाइटेड नेशन पहले व्यक्ति छे यूनाइटेड नेशन जे है डिसीजन कल कि ओकरे नाम ओकरे जन्मदिन के नाम पर ब्लड डोनर डे वो चाहे कैलाकि वह सबसे पहले ब्लड ग्रुप से छुटल गई ए बी ओ ग्रुप छुटल गई तो ओकरा नाम से रखल गेलै। दोसर बात की है कि वह पहले रहे सेव ब्लड सेव लाइफ के जे है पहले जे है ओकर स्लोगन जे डेवलप करा वाला बुझे छै साइंटिस्ट छै वैज्ञानिक छै आ वो ब्लड पहले चोटी नोबेल पुरस्कार पाए वाला लोग छै तैले जे है ये मानल गेल है। रहले बात ब्लड दिए वाला के बात तो कोई भी आदमी केहन आदमी के ब्लड दिए चाहे तो 16 वर्ष से लेकर 60 वर्ष के आदमी ब्लड दे सके। ब्लड केला देबे अपना ब्लड दिए कारण कि कैंसर जेना कैंसर जे भ जाय है ओकरा ब्लड के जे बहुत जरूरी पड़े एक बार डिलीवरी होय ओइ समय ब्लड के जरूरत पड़े मलेरिया भ जाय ओकरा से ब्लड के जरूरत पड़े। संसार में सबसे बेसी बच्चा मरे वाला या ब्लड से मरे वाला देश जे है साउथ एशिया है जेमे इंडिया नेपाल बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान सब पड़े तो ब्लड के जे है एकदम जरूरी। दूसर बात है कि एक चोटी में ब्लड 450 ml ले जाए यदि वो ब्लड से हम सब 3टा बच्चा के ट्रीटमेंट कर सके ओकरा हम जब ब्लड दे सके छी तो एक आदमी के ब्लड देला से जे है से 3टा बच्चा के हम सब बचा सके छी तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है। दिल जे है 450 ml यदि हम ब्लड दै छियै तो फिर की है कि ई ब्लड जे हमरा सब के जे है से ब्लड देला से कोनो हमरा सब के शरीर में खराबी नहीं होते केला कि 24 आवर में वो क्षतिपूर्ति भ जाए। दूसर बात है हार्ट डिजीज जेकरा जे हार्ट डिजीज के प्रॉब्लम है यदि ब्लड दे तो ओकरो बड़ा बढ़िया हेल्थ के लिए बढ़िया काम करे तो जे है ब्लड देने सबसे बेसी साउथ एशिया में सबसे बेसी ब्लड जे संकलन हुई है, सेल्फ ब्लड डोनर सब है से थाईलैंड है। 99% लोग जो है वो जो ब्लड डोनेशन करे। एक बाद नेपाल है 90%, एक बाद में जो श्रीलंका, बर्मा सब 60%। इंडिया मात्र एक टाइम देश है जेमें 59% लोग जो है ब्लड डोनेशन दे सकिए है। इंडिया में बहुत लोग मरे कैला कि ब्लड बिना जो है बहुत मोर्टालिटी हाई जो है, ब्लड बिना जो मर वाला बहुत देश में सबसे बेसी में इंडिया एटा पड़े तो कैले जो है। और दूसरी बात कि अमेरिका में शिकागो ये जगह जो हम सोचिए ये सबसे पहले ब्लड बैंक जो है बनल है। वो ब्लड बैंक जो है वही सब पहले जो जते सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर हुई तो वही सब ब्लड जो है जगह जगह पर जाए। तो ये सब ब्लड जो है एक बहुत बड़ा चीज है, ये जिंदगी के बचवे है। ब्लड के संकलन का के मतलब लाइफ बचवे के लिए जो है ब्लड के जो है सेव करना है, ब्लड के जो है सेव करना है, अपन लाइफ के सेव करना है बराबर। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, Dr. Ramakrishna Shah. And Mr. Rajiv Kumar, could you please mention some points about this day?
Yeah, blood collection, blood manufacturing is the only one of the source of the human cell. And Dr. Ramakrishna Shah telling about the India. The reason is there is very poor company. The poor peoples and without educated people, they don't know about the blood donation. How much time, how long time, they don't know which types of people is donate. The many people is scared. They don't know if he is going to the blood donation, he say, oh my God, maybe the problem is like this. So first thing need to aware and convey. Because every healthy people after 120 days is given again blood. But the people don't know. Which types of people giving? If some people have cough and cold, and this people is also after when is the cough and cold is good, after 2 days he is able to do the blood donation. All types, because now all types of organ plant they need to blood, and even cancer, HIV, many types of diseases. So we must need to the campaign.
Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. No doubt, let us say here we have to give the campaigns because the people are not aware of what is meant by even blood donation. So here it is, the people are getting fear by donating the blood. So here it is, if one person can donate the blood, now his heart condition is better and free from some diseases. If a person is under any infection or any disease, now those people are not advisable to give the blood during that period. And minimum 3 months gap we have to maintain, and normal temperature we have to maintain. And apart from that one, the person must at least maintain minimum 50 kgs of weight, then only it is advisable. And hemoglobin percentage, no doubt, for the females should not be less than 12.5 and come to the males should not be less than 13. So then only those people are advisable to give the blood. So these are the some points mentioned by Mr. Rajiv Kumar. Thank you very much. And Mr. Raj Kumar, could you please mention some points about this World Blood Donors Day?
Thank you, sir. Mainly, two types of blood donation. One is blood and another is platelets are also that's why in the Red Cross blood bank, Rotary blood bank, other blood bank are available here. Having phobia of giving blood, donate blood. Oh, you will become weak. Less will take less. Take like that. Somebody feeling about donating. But it is healthy for everybody to donate blood
Thank you very much. No doubt, let us say, what is the main objective of this blood donation means? It is to get a healthy blood, at the same time healthy blood related products, and at the same time we are saying thanks to the blood donor. These are the main three objectives of this day celebration. Mr. Kapil Dev, could you please mention some points about this issue?
Thank you, Dr. Bara Prasad. As today, the blood donation day is very good day, saving many people's lives. So, I'm going to tell some facts about the blood, in which condition we should donate the blood. There is some individuals who really that some people are putting that and also the blood like the Zika virus, somebody having Zika after 6 weeks making delivery that will these are the points you have different donating if the whole donation the blood has to be made first donation as you can the intervals be cannot when blood is being about everybody. These are the points that are shooting important in the blood. And now some points before going to blood we have to drink some water minimum 16 ounces of water. That's 500 ml. And when we are going to donate the blood, we should get a half sleeves something down to easy to do that taking the blood. And it is benefiting both are like when should I say still should be used emotional well-being, emotional well-being, and negative feeling will go from the body. So, and of course, there will be physical health benefits also there. At the same time, when viewers are going to donate the blood, but then there is a test chart of me, like blood test chart there. Maybe from that blood test, going to benefit it because maybe somebody don't know he is suffering from some diseases, but that time he can get it done. That will be the benefit of all the things. So these are the points I got.
Yes, thank you very much. And let us salute the Karl Landsteiner because he identified A, B and O groups. Before identifying the blood groups, what happened means most of the blood transfusion takes place without knowing the blood groups. That's why most of the people they died. So after identifying the blood groups, now the type of phenomenon reduced. That's why now we are saluting the great personality Karl Landsteiner, and this is the special news today. And thank you very much for updating today's issue. Thank you very much.